Hello everyone, and today we're making Zaalouk. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. This is a Moroccan eggplant or aubergine and tomato dip that is normally served as an appetizer or a starter alongside some Moroccan flatbread, but you can enjoy it as a side dish paired up with so many other dishes. It tastes amazing, it's vegan, low carb. First you want to wash your aubergines, and then next just cut off the stemmy hard base. I'm going to soften mine in the oven, but you can also broil or grill the aubergines over an open fire. I like to partially peel mine. Next you just want to slice them into cubes about 1 or 2 centimeters thick. So while the eggplants are roasting, we're just going to peel the tomatoes. I want to start by making an X shape at the bottom of each. That will just make them easier to peel. And then I'm going to briefly soak them in hot water so the skin softens up. So I'm just going to use a spoon to transfer the tomatoes to a plate, and then I'm going to peel them. Seed them. So do not throw the seeds away. You can use them in recipes when cooking or blend them in your smoothies or juices. Next, heat up some olive oil in a pan. Add the tomatoes and garlic. So I'm just going to mix this. Next you want to add the cumin, salt and the rest of the spices. You can also use Chermoula, which is a flavorful Moroccan spice blend. I will link it for you in the description box if you don't know what it is, and maybe you can also make it on your own. Reduce the heat and allow this to simmer. Next, just add in the aubergine, parsley, and reserve a few to garnish, and coriander. Cover and allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes. Wondering what the difference between Zaalouk and baba ganoush is? Well, while both are eggplant or aubergine dips, they have the main difference that baba ganoush involves the use of tahini as one of the key ingredients, and this is not present in Zaalouk. Additionally, both dips have a different taste profile, so earthy and creamy for baba ganoush because of the tahini, and fresh and bright for Zaalouk because of the lemon juice. Check and stir from time to time so it does not burn. There are many versions of this aubergine and tomato dip. Some people like to make theirs with carrots, zucchini, cauliflower, or any other seasonal vegetables. When it comes to spices, also feel free to use what you have. You can keep Zaalouk in the fridge in airtight containers for up to 5 days and in the freezer for 4 to 5 months. To use from frozen, simply thaw overnight in the refrigerator and then warm in the microwave or in a pot under low to medium heat. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye bye.